Baby, come here.
Gladys. याद नहीं रहेगा।
नहीं अब कितने साल हो गए थे 26 अरे 26
Okay, so here we are. But before we start this afternoon, let me buy one starter for myself. भाई साहब एक कैडबरी देना। ओह रवि, ये you got me. कहाँ पे मिले थे यार? कहाँ पर मिले थे? अरे मैं तो चौपाटी पे था, वहाँ पर थे तुम?
अरे नहीं यार वो तो बहुत पहले की बात है
अच्छा, बट दोनों का साथ नहीं था पार्टनर। सॉरी लेट मी हैव अ बाइट।
लॉ परेड में कुछ आप जाते थे लॉ परेड
Yes. Which school you were in? You are a priest. What? अरे होली क्रॉस, हाँ मैं वहाँ पर पढ़ा था। What about you? तू केजी में था, फिर मैं कौन सा स्टैंडर्ड में था?
केजी में था।
हाँ अच्छा, हमारे टीचर कौन थी?
मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से आता है, वो एक भाई थी, वो हमारे बहुत ख्याल रखती थी।
Principal and all the teachers, a loud applause to them. We have such wonderful memories that it took us a very short span of time to get all our friends, our colleagues together and to see that we reach out to our teachers and make this noon a grand success. We thank you very much for being present here, and so also to all our colleagues here who have made it from far, near, everywhere to make this afternoon a grand success. I hand this over to Ravi to give a very short introduction.
Whoever is here for the purpose of this party. So let's begin with the teachers. So we have Miss Lopez, our principal, present with us. So give her a big hand. And then we have Miss Narola teacher with us. It's amazing that she made it for this party. In fact, Narola teacher was not keeping well at all last couple of days. And we're really happy that she's here. She's made it.
Ravi, they're coming.
Next.
We have Pendra sir with us. Amazing. And we have Miss Philomena, Philo teacher. We have Sarate sir with us. Joyce teacher. There she is. We have Patel sir. We have Florida teacher with us. Florida teacher. There she is. We have Asha teacher. Thank you so much.
College cut
Monitor.
And we can't forget Sarvati teacher. I think one of the sweetest customers we have. She should never get idea of anything. Unfortunately, there are a couple of other teachers like Mrs. Parelkar and Ingrid teacher, Zeveline. Miss Zeveline.
Emerald teacher. Oh yes. This is Narona teacher.
And Mohashi teacher as well. And last but not the least, this is our teacher who got joined us.
My brother asked yesterday.
लोपेस तो चाराना आटाना हमको अभी भी है
बोल रहे क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Join in the celebration. A loud applause, please. A loud applause. So here we go. Yes.
Yeah, this one right now.
Before we take the names of all our students, all our student colleagues, we will have a different celebration beginning first. And that's the customary opening of the champagne by our very own principal, ex-principal, Lopez ma'am.
Danny, don't fly out.
You have to shake.
A loud applause, please. Okay, as the champagne has been served. Oh, that was good one. That was good one. We'll take the names of all our students who are present here this noon. Okay. Attendance. I would request you all to.
Where is he?
We all together?
If they are with their spouse, okay. So if you are with your spouse, okay, मतलब अपना पार्टनर है, तो पार्टनर को सामने लेके आने का इधर, ऐसा करने का, okay? So here we go. Ashok Singh.
Ashok Singh हाजिर हो.
I'm your partner. Yes, bow. Okay, good. Next is Balkrishna Kherwal. Yes, sir. No, yeah. I am not your servant. Okay, yeah, in the center.
Teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, next is Chandrasekhar Suda. Chandrasekhar.
Good morning, everybody.
Next is Krena Fernandez. Krena. Next is Dinocio Lobo with his family. Dinocio. Oh, no, Dinocio. Danny Lobo. Alidio.
Yay! Elidio. Sportsman.
Oh, a complete family. Good. Then we have Gladys Shrihan.
There's a daughter. There's a daughter. Come on, baby. Lot of time is there for that.
Say good afternoon, teachers.
Then next is
सबका ले रहे हैं.
Ivan Rodriguez. Teacher, just to remind you, he performed very well in 4th or 5th standard. Pula Paakaru. Ivan, one jhalak of Pula Paakaru.
पाकरू छान किती दिसत पाकरू त्या बेलीवर फुलांबरोबर प्रेम वापसी मुड़के लौटा करूं।
Yeah, boy. That's good. Then we have Manish Lalan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Manish. Oh, that's a good boy. Then we have Manish Panchal, the quietest but the smartest boy. Yeah, boy. Doctor. He is doctor. He is a homeopathic doctor. Teachers, anytime, please consult him. Okay. Then we have the most slim, the most intelligent, and the most sharpest girl. Manisha. मनीषा ने योजना के लिए The next in line is none other than Melvin Lima. I used to cry a lot here. But then after that, now see, today I'm still till today I'm laughing. And I'm making you people laugh. Okay, teacher, thanks. Okay, next. रोने का एक झलक.
घर में अभी
They don't want any bad memories. Next
अभी
is Melvin Martis.
make sure the webcam is facing.
Okay. Hey, wait.
Hey, wait, Ray. Ray is running. Melvin. Properly.
Okay, then next in line is none other than my twin sister, Marlon Lima. So I better come with her.
भाई बहन.
Okay, next is
You take picture.
Mr. Mohandas Ullah.
मोहनदास कहाँ है भाई?
मॉर्निंग सर.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, teacher. अय्या योजना येतं हो त्यांना लाज वाटते बघ ना
Then next
टीचरच्या
is
समोर बसवते.
Navnath Bhatt. Navnath.
बाय त्याला भट करून टाकलं बघ ना बायताचं.
Then we have Rajendra Desai. Rajendra Desai. अरे पाठी नाही पुढे.
इन लोगों का कान खींचना चाहिए
Come.
करने पहले जैसे.
Rajan, take a bow, please.
Thanks for whatever you have done. Nothing, no words for me to say.
बोल.
I thank all these friends who had organized this party. Excellent. And our meet together after so many years. And I thank especially all of them. Thank you.
Bye. By the way, he is going to stand for next elections. He was just practicing today. Okay, next is our very own, the person who has been a part of this organizing team, quite a silent worker, none other than Sebastian Siqueira.
I was a मालवा, सबको भी वो मारता था.
Okay, good. Then we have the huge, the mighty, the very own Shailesh Shetty. Yes. Okay, then next is a part of our team. This is Shekhar Kulakar. Shekhar. Yes. A lot of applause, please. I think you all are tired, no? Okay. Then we have
Champagne.
Surendra Khade. A lot of applause to Surendra.
I think behind the webcam is
Uday Chheda. Uday.
Uday, 1 minute.
He's still second in our batch.
There is one personality who has taken a 360 degrees turn. It is none other than Apna very own उज्ज्वला आता वाजे लेके 12. Okay. That's it. And then we have some more. One second. Then we have in our midst a quiet student who later on turned out to be or selected a career which most would prefer not. But she has done it very challengingly, and teachers, you all can count on her. She can change everything in you. And that's none other than Gracie Lobo. Gracie, take a bow please with your family.
Good afternoon, teacher. I'm a beautician.
Yes, so any facials, anything. Teacher, please count on it.
All the young teachers. I'm very grateful.
Next in queue is our very own rocker, you can say. Very much. Here we have Ravi Iyer.
Ravi, the rock guy.
That's it. The smile says it all. We have one of our students of the staff. It is none other than Louisa. Oh my God, these are a good one. Professionals.
I'm still teaching in Holy Cross.
We have next one of our elite students who could not be with us till 10th, but he has been very active in keeping up the sort of contacts with all of us, is none other than Sushil Bandodkar. Sushil.
The Aussie guy.
He happens to be a scientist in Australia. I think teachers, we owe all this to you. He has been a great person, a great personality, and he has made it only for this occasion. A lot of love to Sushil. Then we have next the most naughtiest person. Then now a quietest person, but who is representing Maharashtra in the sports activity is none other than Lawrence. Yeah, boy. Great. You know, we have in our midst the personality who was always anxious and happy and excited to dance on the floor, to rock. And today, she's having a melodious voice as well. It's none other than Deepa Lakshmi.
All teachers and everybody, I'm very, very thankful to you all, and today is the happiest day in my life, I would say. I'm happy to see you all.
Yeah, boy.
And we should meet up, like, at least once in, if not in 5 years, at least in 10 years.
Inshallah.
Amen.
Three years. That's when we complete 30 years. We'll have a big function.
Okay. Teachers, the students of Holy Cross School, could we have silence please? The students of Holy Cross School, be it any batch, they are eager to meet each and every teacher. So we have in our midst 4 good students who really would like to be here this evening, and they are very much here. They are Pradeep Kharat, Sandeep Mahadev, Ashwani Sharma and Arun Sharma. Please. Come here. Hey, good. Hi. Yes. So, we also have online who is having a online session with us through the computer, through Skype. We have Chetan Amin, we have Kalindi, Elizabeth. Yeah, these three. So teachers, just see how much we missed you all so many years, and we would like to be a part of you all even today. A loud applause to all our teachers. And 3 cheers for our teachers. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Long live Holy Cross! Long live teachers! I would request any one teacher to please stand up and grace this occasion, after which Manish will take over and give a few words.
मजा करा रे मजा करा आज दिवस तुमचा समता स्वस्थ बसे सोची फसे भूली आई नमी या नाउरिया नमी महारुचरी दुनिया या वाला नोडा रे या सर्वन सारे या मजा करा आज दिवस तुमचा समता नावाला सोडा रे या वकर भरभर सारे या
Okay.
Holy Cross High School for inviting me to this great function, which I never expected that I would live for so many years to see this function. It gives me great pleasure to be here with you. Many of you are married and now have a family and are well placed in life. I still recollect the days I nurtured you all, and the strictness and the discipline that I imposed on you. I hope you will forgive me now.
We love that.
Now has withered me completely, and the sickness that I'm going through, but I'm grateful to pray to the Lord for keeping me in good health and the memory that I can still remember the things till this day. The only way that the doctors told me not to walk much, but I said I must make it a point to see my old students and have the memories. With great difficulty, I am in your midst, and I must say, please pray for me whenever you have time, and that will help me to live little longer. May God bless you all. And your children, and may you prosper all the days of your life. My good wishes to you, and I don't know whether I'll be able to meet you all next. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It was a strictness of the discipline that we live today with that same own discipline. Thank you very much to you all. And now, I would request our teacher to also say a few words.
One and all, a Merry Christmas.
Thank you, ma'am.
And a very, very happy and prosperous 2011. Now, the day that this get-together was fixed, right from that day, I have been waiting impatiently and counting days for today. And I am really very excited to be amongst my very good ex-students and my old friends once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
It gives me great pleasure to address you all today. Time fleets very fast indeed. 3 decades ago, I still remember seeing you all as kids in the classroom with a naughty glint in your eyes and playing pranks, entertaining us, at the same time irritating us. And I'm sure many of you must have rejoiced behind our backs when we were irritated. And now, it's so nice to see all of you as responsible adults, balancing your professions and your family lives. And it's really great that you have organized such a nice function so very fast and in such a nice way. And many of you have come out of your way to attend this function. Now, last but not the least, I would thank you specially for the comfort of the transport that you have organized, and that enabled most of us to be present here, especially when many of us are not in a position to travel on our own. So a big thank you to you all for that. Now, last but not the least, I would like to conclude with a little adaptation of words of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Let us all light the lamp of love in our hearts, abundance in our homes, knowledge to dispel the darkness of ignorance, compassion to serve others, then lastly, the gratitude to the divine for the abundance bestowed on us. And with these few words, I once again say, may God shower His choicest blessings on all of us. May He bless us with good health and happiness, and also those who have not been able to make it today. Now, I would like to convey a special message of love and best wishes from Kali teacher, Evelyn teacher, and Joseph teacher. Though they could not make it, they have spent their special wishes for.
Is any teacher wanting to share the bias?
Mandoro teacher.
My dear children, first of all, I'm very excited on meeting each and every one of you. I cannot express my feelings today when I saw you all personally, each and every one of you, and especially some whom I have not met personally. But I've seen you all as you all were entering to wish us the very first time. I'm also very proud of you that it is through Holy Cross High School you have done something great in you. God bless you, each and every one of you, and make you successful in life. Thank you very much.
Any other teacher?
Foreigner teacher.
उजाले तुम्हारे याद के हमारे साथ रहने दो.
माया टीचर. समथिंग सब टीचर के हाथ में दो. माइक सबको.
जाने कहाँ
क्या बात है.
गए वो दिन कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे, चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो, चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर, तुमको न भूल
ऐसा नहीं है, अभी सब लोग बहुत याद कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को।
My dear students, I take this opportunity of thanking each one of you from the depth of my heart for inviting me and my senior teachers for this reunion gathering. I am still at Holy Cross, and I am proud to tell you that I can go back and tell the present student how great my ex-students were. I know professionally you are all well settled. Do come sometimes to Holy Cross. Just peep at us and see what's happening in Holy Cross. We had Maya retired this year. The others are all Sarate sir, Patel sir, all recently retired. A few of yours, my dear friend Zevrina, is to retire this time in 31st January. My dear students, I know it has taken you a great effort to get together and organize this function for us. But I may say that all I can do for you is to pray to the Holy Cross, your alma mater, to send him all your blessings, that you may be prosperous and in good health. Rejoice in the Holy Cross.
आवाज बुलंद रहे.
तुमच्याकडे तोंड केलं की मागे टीचरचे तोंड दिसत नाही आणि त्यांच्याकडे केलं की तुम्ही काय आपण तुमचे चेहरे पाहण्यासाठी आलोय खास इकडं आणि मुद्दाम मराठीत बोलतोय. मला माहिती सगळ्यांना मराठी तुम्हाला येतच आलं आणि समजतं तर नक्कीच. ते काय विशेष आता बहुतेक टीचर्सनी अतिशय चांगले म्हणजे जे आम्हाला बोलायचं होतं ते बोलले. मी सुद्धा तुम्हाला भेटायसाठी फार उत्सुक होतो आणि एवढ्या वर्षांनी म्हणजे मला वाटलं की मी तर म्हातारा झालोच आहे, पण तुमच्याकडे बहुतेक सुद्धा म्हणजे तरुण इतके झुकलेले नाहीत, पण तुम्हाला भेटून फार बरं वाटलं. आणि तुमच्या निमित्ताने या टीचर्स लोकांना भेटलं. आज बऱ्याच वर्षांनी मी या टीचर्स लोकांना सरवटे बहिणा वगैरे खूप वर्षांनी आणि टीचरला नेहमी भेटायची इच्छा होते. पण कांदिवलीला वगैरे खूप लांब राहतात. तसं आता आम्ही रिटायर म्हणजे आम्हाला काही काम नाही, पण आवर्जून जावं तर भेटणं थोडंसं कठीणच पडतं. या लोकांशी इतके चांगले रिलेशन्स होते. मी माझ्या दृष्टीने होली क्रॉसची फार म्हणजे अतिशय वेगळे संबंध आहेत. फक्त बोलायसाठी नाही, पण खरंच बहीण भावासारखे संबंध या टीचर्स लोकांनी इतकं काही म्हणजे प्रेम दिलं, हे माया दिली. आणि तुमच्यावर सुद्धा खरं काय असतं म्हणजे आता मला काही विद्यार्थी भेटले तर मलाही वाटत त्यावेळेला मी पण तरुण होतो ज्यावेळेला तुम्ही आता शब्द चालतात त्यावेळेला हात जास्ती चालायचा. त्यांच्या केबीच्या बाजूला आमचं मास्टर रूम होतं आणि तिकडं आवाज यायचा, ती पोरं जोरात ओरडायची, इकडं आम्ही मास्टर लोक पण घाबरायचो. असं तुम्ही लोक इतके म्हणजे तुम्हाला भेटून खरंच खूप आनंद झाला आणि आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये तुम्ही अगदी सर्वार्थानं स्थिर स्थावर झालात. तुमच्याकडे बघून फार समाधान. जसं माझा मुलगाही आता एका बँकेमध्ये आहे, लग्न झालंय, मुलं आहेत. म्हणजे तुम्हा लोकांना पाहून सुद्धा असं वाटतं की सगळेजण किती म्हणजे तुम्ही सुखी आहात. आणि परमेश्वर करो की असं सौख्य, समाधान, शांतता तुमच्या आयुष्यामध्ये सतत राहो आणि काहीतरी कारणाने आपण असेच वरच्यावर भेटत राहू. परमेश्वर
बहुत सालों से चाहते थे कि मैं अपने बच्चों से मिले. हाँ, हालांकि मैं जानता हूँ कुछ बच्चों लोगों ने पिछले बेंच पे बैठ के शरारत करते जिसकी वजह से मार भी खाए हैं. लेकिन मैं भूलता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मैंने मारा भी उसने भूलता नहीं हूँ. और इसलिए आप लोगों का याद भी आता है, क्योंकि हर स्टूडेंट, हर बच्चे उस टीचर को प्यारे ही होते हैं, चाहे वो मजाकिया हो, मस्ती करें या स्टडी में आगे रहें, सब एक जैसे और एक जैसे बराबर होते हैं। और आप लोगों ने अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत तरक्की की है, और मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करूंगा कि आप इसी तरह तरक्की करते रहें और बीच बीच में कभी मौका मिले तो मिलते रहो, ताकि आप लोगों का याद बराबर बना रहे। और हम भी बहुत से सारे टीचर रिटायर हो गए और एक दूसरे से मुलाकात नहीं होती थी, और इस अवसर पर उन सब से मुलाकात होने की वजह से हम बहुत खुश हैं और चाहते हैं कि आप इसी तरह मुलाकात करते रहिए। शुक्रिया।
पीछे
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। आवाज बुलंद है या दोस्तों, ऐसे एक हफ्ते पहले हमारे रवि साहब का फोन आया, रवि अय्यर का, कि सर ऐसा ऐसा हम एक फंक्शन रख रहे हैं, आप आएंगे। मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि इतने सालों के बाद भी बच्चों ने हमें याद किया। मैंने रवि को बताया, रवि मैं कहीं भी रहूंगा, मैं जरूर फंक्शन में आऊंगा। तो अभी मैं वापी में था कि 2 दिन पहले भी बॉम्बे में आया हूँ, और सुबह रवि को फोन करके पूछा तो फिर सर आपको पिकअप करने के लिए व्हीकल आ रही है। मैंने ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। आप 26 साल के बाद हम सब मिल रहे हैं। 26 साल में क्या क्या हुआ किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है। तुम कहाँ है, हम कहाँ है, मगर आज का दिन ये बहुत यादगार दिन रहेगा हमारे लिए कि हम सब एक जगह जमा हुए, सब मजा कर रहे हैं। भगवान से मैं यही प्रार्थना करूंगा कि आपको अच्छी हेल्थ दे और आपके परिवार को भी अच्छी हेल्थ दे, और आपने जितनी प्रगति की है उससे डबल प्रगति दे आपको, और आपका स्वास्थ्य भी अच्छा रहे, आपकी पूरी फैमिली का स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रहे। थैंक यू।
Remember as for me, these 30 odd years that I spent with Holy Cross will be years that will take me through my retired life now, because they were really wonderful years. And somehow I feel over the years, I don't know whether it is the modern generation or we are the ones who are the older generation, but there is something different between the relationship we had with you all and the ones we have with the present. There's something missing over there. But with you all, it was a closeness that will always be there.
Yes.
And will take us through. As for me, you know, I've just retired. And it is, I don't know how long I will remember. This locus still is sane. But you know, with today's world, you hear of so much of people forgetting things and all. But this is something I would like to always remember. Thank you for remembering us. And I always remember you in my prayers. And please do remember me in yours too.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good day to all of you.
Good day, ma'am. Good day.
It's really nice to meet you after 26 long years.
Yeah.
And as Mamian has said, that relationship which you all had with us, it's missing in this today's trend, the modern trend. So I must really thank you for having remembered. And as I also remember you, it's something nice to remember those yesteryears, which we will never get again. So thank you once again. Goodbye. And as I will be retiring shortly, I don't know whether I'll be able to see you or meet you. I do miss you and all the pranks and all the naughtiness that took place. I still remember the backbenches.
When front benches was the same.
Yes.
Both the same.
Yeah, both
Only the
were
thing was
same.
that was not to be seen.
Yeah, but you all could not be seen because it was really quite mature.
We were the front benches.
Yeah. But that is something, you know, where memories still remain.
Yeah.
You cannot forget those things.
Right.
As I still remember, I think Pradeep, you remember the camp? I won't forget, I still remember. And those words still ring in my ears. They were really, I think, fun days, no, Mr. Patel? It was really fun. So once again, thank you. And it was so nice meeting you after so many years.
Even ma'am would like to speak. Oh, no, you have to speak. Sit and speak.
Okay, good morning to all of you.
Sit down and speak.
I have a double relationship with you.
Wow.
One, my sister and brother both were with you. Usha and Harish, if you remember, Munjwani, वो दोनों भी आप लोगों के बैच में थे. First I taught science and maths. Then I went to history, geography. Now I teach permanently Hindi and I work for science exhibition. So I have got all the subjects to my credit. So somewhere I have touched each one of you. But I'm very sad that my batch, although I also am a student of Holy Cross, did not think of such a thing. And I cannot get all of them also. Few of us are still working at Holy Cross and we all work, see each other, miss somewhere each other, but we never meet each other. So I feel sorry that my batch did not do anything and I'm grateful that you did something.
Good afternoon, dear students. Most of my colleagues have already said part of the things I would like to say, but I only want to say, now I only want to wish you all the best in the new year.
Thank you. Wish you the
And
same.
to continue to your...
Wish you the same. Wish you all the best. Say something.
Okay, Joyce.
Joyce.
My dear students, I was very happy. I was very happy when Ravi inviting me. I really take this opportunity and I'm thankful to all of you all. I think of those days when I used to go around in the classes, roll number 1, roll number 15, roll number 18, for not paying their fees, filling their forms of the EBC and all.
But you were never harsh. You were very loving. You were very loving.
I miss you all. And I think of those days, all the students who have passed and gone. I thank each and every one. May God bless you.
काही क्षण आयुष्यात असे असतात की आपण ते कधीच विसरू शकत नाही. असंच होली क्रॉसमध्ये दरवर्षी 10वीच्या मुलांना मी शिकवायचे आणि ती सगळी मुलं मला अजून अद्याप आठवत आहेत. प्रत्येक मुलांनी माझ्यावरती प्रेम केलं आणि मी पण केलं. शिकवताना मुलं अगदी एकच चित्ताने बसायचे आणि मला हुडून द्यायचा. असं वाटायचं आज मी मुलांना छान काहीतरी नवीन शिकवे. कधी ग्रामर, कधी व्याकरण, तर कधी कविता. आमचं ठरलेलं असायचं आणि मुलं खूप मजेत बसायची, ऐकायची. काही मुलांना तुम्ही सांगितलं होतं, त्यातली एक मुलगी मला अद्याप आठवते, अतिशय हुशार होती. सगळ्या ए वर्गांना मी मराठी घ्यायचे. 8वी ए, 9वी ए आणि 10वी ए. अतिशय हुशार होती. मी तिला 8वीत सांगितलं होतं तू डॉक्टर होणार आहेस. आणि काही वर्षांनी मी 9वीमध्ये शिकवत असताना ती मुलगी माझ्या दारात उभी राहिली. मी मुलांना शिकवत होते म्हणाली मॅडम मी आहे कमी मी म्हटलं ये ना गं काय मी MBBS झाले म्हणाली. मुलांना तुम्हाला मी सांगू माझ्या अगदी डोळ्यात अश्रू आले. एके दिवशी मी तिला म्हटलं होतं की तू डॉक्टर होशील आणि खरोखरीच ती डॉक्टर झाली. मला अत्यंत आनंद झाला. काही काही मुलांच्या गोष्टींमध्ये मला तुम्ही जेव्हा पास होता आणि जेव्हा दिवशी तुमचा पेपर असायचा मी सगळ्या मुलांना डोळ्यासमोर ठेवायची आणि 10-10:30 मुलं गेली असतील पेपर लिहायला. 10वीची माझी मुलं सगळी आमच्या शाळेची होली क्रॉसची मी देवाला प्रार्थना करायची की देवा गणपतीला सगळ्या मुलांना चांगली बुद्धी दे. आजचा पेपर छान होते मुलांचा. आणि खरोखरी इतक्या वर्षात माझ्या विषयात एकही मुलगा नापास झाला नाही. सगळी मुलं 60, 70, 80, 79, 89 पर्यंत गेली. माझं श्रेय नाही हे तुम्हा मुलांचं श्रेय. तुम्ही अभ्यास केला म्हणून झाला. मी तर नुसतं शिकवलं तुम्हाला पण श्रेय सगळं तुमचं आहे मुलांना. मी तर तुमच्या पाठी उभी राहिले तुम्हाला शिकवलं पण अभ्यास तुम्ही केला मी नाही केला आणि माझं सांगणं ऐकलं म्हणून मला अतिशय आनंद व्हायचा. 10वीचे रिझल्ट यायचे जॉईस आणि मला त्याच्या ऑफिसमध्ये मी जायचे तेव्हा त्या मला त्या सर्वांच्या काही उत्तम रिझल्ट आहे मराठीचा. मला अतिशय आनंद व्हायचा. सगळे मुलं डोळ्यासमोर दिसायची माझ्या की माझ्या शाळेची होली क्रॉसची सगळी मुलं छान प्रकारे पास झाली. किती फर्स्ट क्लास आली किती सेकंड क्लास मी तिला विचारायचे अगं डिस्टिंक्शन किती नाही आहे हो मराठीला आहे डिस्टिंक्शन म्हणायचं. मी म्हणायचे सगळ्या विषयात किती आहे आणि तिथे सांगायचं चॉईसनी आणि मराठीला. मला अत्यंत आनंद व्हायचा. मला असं वाटतं की माझी सगळी मुलं सगळ्या वर्षात पास झाली किती छान आणि अशी होली क्रॉसची मुलं कुठे मिळणार नाही असं नेहमी वाटतं. मी आभारी आहे. आम्ही सगळ्या शिक्षकांतर्फे तुम्हाला खूप खूप तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे आभार मानतो. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. असे थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Okay, requesting you all to please take your seat. Yeah, Manish.
So are we set?
Yes.
It was a very beautiful evening. The environment was pristine. The sun was about to set, but not before splashing the sky in shades of red and orange. There were guests on the Caribbean boat cruise. They were having the time of their life. The few couples were busy watching the sunset. Few others were busy swimming in the deck. Others were dancing, some were having champagne. And 3 people, they somehow struck a friendship with each other. There was this one Christian guy, Danny Lobo, one Muslim guy, and a Sardarji. The weather was perfect for sailing. The sea was very silent. Suddenly, the environment changed. From nowhere, the black clouds came rushing and totally engulfed the sky. And it started drizzling at first. And then it started pouring torrential, heavy rains. The sea, which was very smooth, became very rough. Now, the people on the boat were scared, were afraid. Maybe we are not safe anymore. And with the rough sea, it was just rising and falling. And with that, the cruise liner used to rise alarmingly and fall.
अब तो गए काम से. There were life jackets. Life jackets were there. But how can you survive against a sea which is out to destroy? So these three friends who are there, Danny Lobo, the Muslim guy, and a Christian guy, and Sardarji. So first, Danny Lobo started praying. He said, "Abhi to kaam se gaye." So he recalled, Jesus Christ, if you don't save me, I am gone today. I am just gone. I am recently married. I have a beautiful wife. Just imagine, if I perish in the sea, the young heart of my beautiful wife would be devastated. So please save me and take me back in the loving arms of my wife. So Jesus said, "Okay, your wish is granted." And then he finds himself in the loving arms of Scholastic. Then the Muslim guy says, "Oh, this is a nice idea. If Jesus can save him, let me call my Allah." So he calls, "Allah, you are the most rahim, kind-hearted. I have small children. They are still very young. Their mind and hearts are very fragile. If I die, their fragile heart would not be able to bear the trauma and grief of my passing away. So please take me back to my children and save my life." So Allah grants his wish. And he finds himself among his children again. And he thanks Allah. "Oh, you are really a Hamdil, very kind-hearted." Now all the time, the Sardarji was watching. He said, "What the hell? Let me check out with my God, whether he grants the wish." So he recalls his God, Vaheguru. Vaheguru, I know you are a warrior God, but you know you are kind-hearted too. And Jesus has granted the wish, and even Allah has granted the wish. So both my friends have gone safely. But if you don't mind, I just want to check it out, whether you also have the same power. So Vaheguru says, "Okay, tell me, what is your wish?" So he tells, "Vaheguru, why don't you do one thing? I am feeling bored. Bring this two chair back to the and then Danny Lobo and the Muslim guy comes, and then he thanks Vaheguru. You are so kind." When at 6:45, Monday morning, after a Sunday holiday, I would see many steps going hurriedly in one direction. And after 5 minutes, I would join them, and they are just going in one direction. And they stop at the gate of Holy Cross High School. And then we meet that ice cream fellow. We wish we had some time and some money in our pocket to buy it. But then we remember, if we are late, G. Lopez would shout from there, "Wait there! Just don't move," in that booming voice of hers. So we would go inside, and L-shaped building. On the right side, there is a beautiful church. Inside, the environment is very grandeur, divine. This school, for us, for all the people living within the vicinity of the school, whether it be Dilayu, Alpiston, BDD Chor, Parel, wherever, for them and for their parents who could not afford education, who are not very rich, it represented a hope. So, for a lot of us poor guys on the street, if there were no Holy Cross High School, probably we would not have got educated. Forget about getting educated in English medium school or convent school. Where I stayed, nobody reached up till SCC. So many people dropped out. So many people dropped. And my parents could not afford the schooling. It was a big issue when you have to pay term fees, you know. The fees are very less compared to today's standard. In 5th standard 5 rupees, 6th standard 6 rupees. But it was impossible, we could not afford it. So this school gave us a hope. All the students used to come from a similar background. The teachers also came from a similar background. From Delhi Road, Birdi Chowk, Elphiston, Parel. And that's the reason we could strike or we could connect with the teachers. Because coming from the same background like ours, they could understand what we are going through. And they never differentiated. They never ever differentiated with we were rich, poor, we are good in studies, we are not good in studies, and made us feel so comfortable. I remember so many. Sarvateba. If you remember, she has such a tough job to teach Marathi in a convent school. Can you imagine? In a convent school where none of the Christians knew any damn thing about Marathi. And we Gujaratis were no better. So how to teach Marathi to such group of people? We can't understand matra and whatever. And so it required relentless effort. It required a lot of patience, a lot of compassion from her to coax the children to learn Marathi. Then there is Sarate sir. I have some very fond memories of him because at that time we never had cable TV. Otherwise, he was a perfect candidate for Jackie Chan, which or Karate Kid, you know. You know the way he used to hit. But I have a very fond memory of him is somehow he was so passionate about art, drawing, and somehow he carried a notion that all the people, all the students with surname Panchal are God gifted in drawing. So what he used to do, he used to possibly catch all the Panchal and send them to all the drawing competitions. So once even I went to some school in Borivali, and he had great expectation from us because he was having this notion they are good Panchals, are good in drawing, and we have to at least win something. But that day I messed up the drawing. I totally messed up the drawing, and he was there asking me how things went, you know, and I was disheartened, completely disheartened. This guy has so much faith on me, but you know, I messed up the drawing. In that drawing competition, they had different categories for professional as well. So I was disheartened, the drawings is hopeless, but I went to see how the professional does the drawing, how they color it. So they were with their knives and blades and the water tube colors, and they were coloring it with the help of knife. So I said, Sarate sir would be disheartened because we are not winning anything. So that same day, I went home and I drew a temple from the history textbook, and I said, let me color it in an innovative way, the way the professionals were coloring with a knife, but a mother would not give me the knife. So what I did, my father had a shaving kit, so they had topaz blade. I broke it into two, and I started, you know, with the tube colors, then started coloring. As soon as I started, I realized it was such a tedious job to color that whole drawing with a blade. But somehow, next day, I went and showed it to Sarate sir. So he got excited. He said, complete the drawing. But I said, my God, it will take ages. I may pass out the school, but the drawing won't get complete. He said, nothing to it. Just color it. And somehow I managed to color it. And he was so passionate about art that he sent it to all India
child art competition in Hyderabad, where they send it through the school, they send the entry through the school. And because of his passion and perseverance, for the first time our school won, and I got bronze medal at it. But it was possible because of his faith and belief. And afterwards many others won, but because of his efforts. And then my class teacher, Florinda Mendes, in 8th standard, she was barely, very young, maybe in 20s, very delicate, soft, has fragile, has frail lips, voice soft. Then we have Patel sir. You know, there is only one way we could get attention of Patel sir during our time. And that was, he had one very bad habit in the sense, at 12 o'clock, he would tell us to do mass pass. But the only time when we could get his attention was if there is a cricket match going on. And then he and Vendra sir is with Transistor, and he would tell us to write the scores. And do not go by the size of Vendra sir. It is said that all great things come in small packages. But sometimes I wonder, with this small frame, his voice was too strong. And during my school time, there was one thing we were terribly afraid, especially if you are sitting in the first row. There is a passage, college corridor, you enter the class and there is a first row and there are windows over here. So as soon as the lecture gets over and by the time another teacher comes, we are chatting. We never wanted to miss that opportunity to talk. And every time we are chatting and we are looking at the window. and from nowhere, you could see G. Lopez there. And her booming voice, right there. So, from 5th standard to 10th standard, all the efforts was how to not cross the path of G. Lopez. But that was not in my control. Sometimes she would come from anywhere. Then what was the strategy? The strategy was, look. But there is a brighter side to this strategy, which helped me in life. Whenever I have a tiff with my wife, I am the one who is fighting, and now it is her turn to reply back. I look down. And whenever in medical college, guys never used to attend lectures. So at the end of the year, the principal there would be a big blacklist, you know. And then the list was so big, so the principal used to give appointment. So Monday at between 10 to 11, this roll numbers would come and see me. I used the same strategy. When I went inside and the principal would ask, why have you not attended 80% lectures? And I looked down. And so many other memories. But today, I feel great. I have never imagined that we would at all meet. It has taken the efforts of lot of people to bring us all together. And we should appreciate it. This has been going on since months. It is an Herculean task to bring us all together. But I got a shock of my life when I said, oh Ravi, rock star. I said, the Ravi I remember, we always used to remember Ravi. Ravi joined the school in between. And Mrs. Iyer was teaching. So whenever Ravi used to score 2 marks more than us, सब बोलते So before I end, one more joke. There were 2 donkey friends.
नाम क्या है?
The 2 donkey friends, they are meeting in a park. So one donkey friend is asking another one, why the hell are you working with that fellow, with that owner? What does he give you? He says, you are right, he does not give me anything. The whole day he abuses me, he kicks me, makes me slog hard, and he gives stale food, stale roti. So the friend asked, then why the hell you are working there? See, I am living independently. I have all the freedom where to work, what to eat, and see what you are doing. Then why the hell you are staying there? The donkey replies, with only one hope. And what is that? The only hope is, whenever my boss gets very angry, he's furious, he's enraged. At that time, he scolds his beautiful daughters and says, if you do something foolish, I will marry you to that donkey. So with this smile on your face, on our face, everybody's face, and with warmth in our heart, we welcome you all and hope that you have a very nice time, a gala time. Let your heads down and guys, come on, rock! Yeah! The Lord Ganesha appears. Then Pagyan says, हर साल मुझे डुबाते हो ना, अब आएगा मजा.
इस तरह दो लहरें जिस तरह हो जाए इस तरह दो लहरें जिस तरह फिर तू है वही दिल मेरी से अपना कहा तू ही जाना मैं हूँ बहाना तू ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा
Please come on the floor.
There's one. Going to go to the people who are not couldn't make it today.
Yeah, definitely, sure. I want them to just Lawrence. Anna, come on back again.
Where's my son gone? With his daddy, I think so.
Okay, now you are supposed to form a group of 5. Group of 5, okay. Group of 5. Okay, so this was a trial. Tell me, music! Music! Okay, group of 17. 3, 6, 3, 9, no, this is all. Out. So only this group is there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18. So here we go. Fast. Now.
खाली होल्ड करना.
Very waiting for you, please.
अच्छा
Very ऊपर
आरिती आ रहा है इधर. तू करेगा क्या? किधर गया? गिफ्ट देने का मन नहीं करता.
Okay, request you all to please come on the floor again. We are really running short of time. Melvin.
समझता